Learn about moving files around onto a USB disk storage device and also deleting photos from your computer. So here we have Becca's computer. It's got the desktop here. It's Windows 7, so it's got a little start here. You might have a start button on yours, but right here we just have the button that opens up the menu. So the first thing you want to learn about is the device that we're going to use to put pictures onto. So this is a USB device. And we're going to take this and put it down here and plug it in. And sometimes you'll see a light come on the side of it letting you know. Now Windows is going to ask you if you want to open the file or speed up system, but you just want to open the file, so open that, and that'll open up the folder for the device. Here it is listed in the picture of all the devices on the computer. There's the computer, it has a hard drive, and it has this storage device on it. So if you click on that, you'll notice that it's empty. The C drive has all your windows and stuff like that. Now let's talk about pictures. So you go to the folder that has your pictures, and in this case we're going to use Lauren's pictures in here. I'm just going to widen this out so you can see everything. So now if I want to use pictures, or if I want to move pictures to one and they're all scattered throughout here, what I'll do is I'll put my hand on the control key on the keyboard. It's right here. I just hold it down, and then when I'm selecting items, it selects them all and highlights them in blue. See how this one's highlighted, and I just hold the control key while I'm clicking on them, and it selects all those ones. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pictures chosen. I just grab one of those pictures and I can move it to that storage device. There's a couple ways you can move it. Oops, mine got unselected, so I'm going to click Control and I'm going to select them again. Okay, so I got those selected. Now, there's a couple of ways that you can move them there. One way is to right-click on one of the pictures, and it should open up a menu to where you can send it to that particular drive. So I right-clicked on one of the pictures, I went down to Send To, and I can choose that drive, and it'll send them over there. Another way to do this is to open this window here, and then open this in a new window and drag them into there. So open in a new window. So I have two windows on my desktop. The one is the pictures, and the one is the hard drive, which has the pictures on it. Now I'll scroll down to those pictures there. And I'm going to select some of those by holding the control. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 of them chosen, and I'm just going to left click on the mouse, and I'm going to drag them into here. See, it says I have 4 pictures in here, and I just drop it there. All of a sudden it's going to say 4 items are copying over to that USB storage device, and then pretty soon I'll have those pictures on the storage device. Now the next lesson when you're done with the storage device, you can just unplug it and take it to a store to have them printed. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at a few different ways to delete pictures. So let's say that there's a couple pictures in here that I want to delete. You can use the same method when I was holding the control button, and I select on different ones. And let's say I wanted to delete these. I selected those 5, and I just right click on one of them, and one of the options is delete. So right click again on your mouse. In fact, I'll show the mouse. There's a left click here, and this is the right click. If you right click on an option or on an object, it opens up a menu for where you can send it to a device or you can delete it. And then left click means that you want to select it. Another way to quickly get rid of all the pictures, let's say I want to get rid of this picture here all the way down to this picture here. On the keyboard, I'll hold the Shift button, and then when I go in here, I have one picture selected already. When I hold the Shift button, I click all the other ones, then all the ones in between are chosen. And if I want to add more, I just hold the Shift button, and I click it again, and it adds those into it. So now I have all of these selected. They're a little highlighted in blue. I can either left click and delete them, or I can left click and send them to the USB storage device. So that's it. That's how you move pictures, and that's how you delete pictures and save them on the USB. Thanks for watching.